In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change eBay bank account. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into your eBay account and that you have your banking details handy, like your routing and account number. It's also a good idea to be on a secure, private connection, since you'll be entering sensitive financial information. Start on the eBay homepage. Move your mouse to the upper right corner of the screen and hover over your account name. This opens a quick menu with options related to your profile and selling activity. From that menu, click Account Settings. This takes you to the central hub where you manage everything from personal info to selling preferences. On the Account Settings page, look for the section labeled Payments. Depending on your region, this may appear as Payments or Payments and Payouts. Click it to open your payment dashboard. This is where you control how you receive your seller payouts and how your cards or bank accounts are stored. If prompted, complete any two-step verification or identity checks. eBay sometimes asks for confirmation before you make changes to financial settings. Inside the payments area, find and click Add Cards and Accounts. You're not replacing the old details here just yet. You're first adding the new bank information so it can be used for payouts. On the form that appears, enter your bank account details exactly as they appear on your bank records. Make sure the account type is correct, personal or business, and that the account holder name matches what eBay has on file for your seller account. Small mismatches can delay verification. Follow the on-screen prompts to save your new bank information. eBay may run an instant check with your bank or send small verification deposits to confirm ownership. If verification is needed, keep an eye on your bank activity and return to this payments area to complete any confirmation steps shown on screen. Until verification is complete, payouts may continue to use your previous method, so it's normal if you don't see the change take effect immediately. That's all there is to it. You hovered over your account name, went into Account Settings, opened Payments, and clicked Add Cards and Accounts to enter your new bank details. Take a moment to review everything for accuracy and sign out when you're done if you're on a shared device. With your new bank account added and verified, your eBay payouts will be set up to flow to the correct place without interruption.